I've seen so many people asking me this particular question, that is how to become a data analyst, what paths should we follow, what are the resources that we can follow and become a data analyst. So today in this particular video, I'll be sharing you ultimate resources with a proper roadmap. How much time should you give on what particular technologies and what particular topics, topic by topic. I have listed all the things in this particular resource that I'll be sharing. Also see this particular full video, then only you will be understanding all the things, then only it becomes very beneficial for you. And also please like and comment, it will be very helpful for me and definitely it will worth all my efforts. So let's start with the video. I'll be sharing one guide, that is basically in which 3 months plan is there. If you want to become a data analyst and you don't have any background of any data or any if you're from a non-tech background, if you're from any technical background, not into a data field, 100% you can get into this field. But you should follow this particular roadmap and you should give approximately dedicated hours per week, like about 5 days a week. If you give 3 to 4 hours per day, then definitely you can become a data analyst in 3 months. So let's start with the video and I'll be also showing you how you can grab this particular thing. So as you can see on my screen, basically here is the resource that I'll be sharing, and I'll be sharing the GitHub link. This GitHub link I'll be sharing you. How to get this? If you're opening on the mobile or a laptop, just click on this and download it. And also please for this and for my benefit, you can star it like this and also fork it, so it becomes easy for everyone to it will get higher rank and definitely it can be helpful for many people. So let's start with the things. Basically what you can do, you can just download it from here, or you can view it from here, or directly you can download. Click on this download and you can download it from here. It will take some 2-3 seconds and it will get downloaded. After downloading it, you will be getting this particular PDF here. So this PDF has many things. I'll be telling you one by one what are the things important and what are the things you should follow and how much time should you give on particular things, because this is a very demanded video from your guys. I have already shared a data engineer roadmap. You can just follow it out. Just go on my channel, you can find the data engineer roadmap also. That will be very helpful. Other than that, basically here as you can see, it is a 3-month roadmap where you can become a data analyst. And if you give about, I have given a proper note in the starting of the particular document, that is if you give about 3 to 4 hours dedicated time daily you need to give this time. And 5 days a week, if you give, like on weekends chill, relax, do your stuff, but in the weekdays or 5 days a week, it can be any day, you can become a good data analyst who is skilled enough to crack a good package. Definitely you can crack a good package also, but you should follow this particular thing, whatever I am going to tell you from here. That is major skills required to become a data engineer and become a job ready person. Like many times in many jobs, or many people will say Python is not required for a data analyst, but I'll say if you want to become a good skilled data analyst who knows how to clean the data, you should know Python also. Python is a very demanded and very great skill to have if you want to become a data analyst. Okay, so 1 month if you give, definitely you can crack this thing. And you need to do these all things parallelly. It is not like you complete this, then you complete this, then you complete this, then you complete it. No, if you do like that, it will take about 6 months, 7 months to do these things. But if you do these things parallelly, one by one, definitely you can get through this. That is, start from Python, give 1 month, parallelly start with SQL. If you have some knowledge about SQL, then also give 1.5 months, because SQL is one of the major tech skill required in data field, be it data engineering, be it data analyst, be it data scientist, be it BA engineer, anything. If you want to become an AI engineer also, SQL is one of the major and most demanded skill you should have right now. Okay, so 1.5 months you should give. Other than that, there is a skill called as data analytics skill. Data analytics skills is major skill for a data analyst. If you want to become a data analyst, you should have this skill, that is data analytics skill. Next thing, data visualization skill. Data visualization skill means you can learn Tableau, Power BI, or any of the visualization. There are so many visualization tools. You can take up any one tool and start with that thing, then you can switch to another tool. You can just learn that also. It becomes easier when you start learning from one tool. You understand one tool, you understand the functionalities of those tools, then adapting another tool becomes easy for you. Okay, it is very similar to any programming language, and these durations are in parallel. I have given proper notes here, that is, it is in parallel. You should take everything in parallel so that you can cover everything in 3 months. So let's start with the thing, that is first thing, that is Python. So for basics of Python, if you need to start understanding what what is Python, how to start with Python. Basically this is the thing, this is a video that will definitely help you to start with Python. In this, it is Code with Harry's course, basically that is about 17 minutes of video. And if you say I have also made one data Python for data domain, you can also see that particular video if you want. It is proper in explain everything that is required for data domain. Definitely I'll post part 2 also if you demand it. Next thing is that is pandas for data cleaning. Here pandas are required because if you are getting into a data analyst field, majorly you will be getting raw data sometimes, or majorly you will be getting clean data sometimes. So it depends on you. If you want to clean something, you should know that how can you clean those data. So the pandas is very, very important. Start with pandas. Next, if you now you have done the theory part, you have learned the SQL, you have done some practical, made some programs. Now the part comes, you should know the problem solving things so that you can crack the interviews, you can crack the things. If you a question interviewer ask you a question, then you can answer those. Because I also take interviews, I know that what all things can be asked, what all problems can be asked, and I have also given many interviews for data domain, for data engineering. I have given tons of interviews. So definitely it will be experience based thing that I am telling you. That is, firstly, here are the top questions, and don't give up. Like if you give up some time, that is, here are some top questions that you need to give a hands on to become confident on Python. If you solve this question, you know the theory. Now if you solve this question, it will become very confident, you will be becoming very confident, and you can solve these things. It becomes easy for you to crack the job. Okay, so firstly we'll start with Python if else. Next thing, these are the question links, hacker rank question link. You can go and solve it out, and you can also post the badges and also post this kind of this on the LinkedIn, so that it becomes helpful for them also. And I will also engage with you. Tag me, I'll engage with you 100%. Next thing, these are the things that you can solve. These 6 questions or 7-8 questions I have listed. If you solve, you will having that confidence. Now you are having that confidence. Now go to SQL. Next thing, start with SQL. Parallelly you have started there is a 3 hours of course that you can start with. And I have also made one short video, that is this one, where I have explained everything, like how you can start with data domain, what all things you can do, and what all things are required to become a data guy basically, and what all things are required in SQL. So all those things are listed here, everything I have listed. Similarly, there are questions like 10 questions of SQL that you should complete so that you become confident in SQL, and you can complete these things that are very, very important, that is related to SQL. That is, there are Windows functions, there are proper reporting kind of questions are there that you can definitely complete this. Like one by one I have listed all the questions. You can just click on this question, it will redirect you, it will ask for a login. I'll not log in. Basically you can do that. Additionally, I have also grabbed these badges. These are the screenshots of my badges only. Okay, so I have 4 stars. So you can start with 0 star and you can get 4 star, you can get 5 star, diamond star, whatever it is, you can get it, and definitely it will boost your confidence. You can post it on LinkedIn, you can tell in your interviews. Definitely it helps, but don't cheat from anywhere. It is not going to help you it will not help you. If you do it by yourself, then only that help will come. Otherwise it will not help you. You will get those batches, but it will not help you. Similarly, if you complete this, it is kudos to you. Well done man. That is, you have completed SQL, you have completed the problem solving questions, and kudos to you. Try now, also don't limit yourself to these 10 questions or 8 questions or 20 questions. Try doing more and more questions. There are multiple websites from where you can complete these kind of questions, and definitely these kind of things will help you to boost your confidence as a data analyst or a data guy. Okay, so now it comes to Tableau. That is, a visualization tool is important. So 1.5 months or 1 month you can give and build some of the project. That these are the end-to-end videos that you can start with, and you can start with one of the video. If you watch 1.5 hours of the video also, it will give you great insights, and you can start with the project. That is, these are the interview questions that are listed of Tableau. Please do that. Now you are a skill data analytics, you are having skill data analytics skills. It is very important to make 2 major projects so that you can list in your resume also. And also, if there are any question from the interview, you can just answer them in a very practical and very technical way. Okay, that is very important. Then real-time questions projects are there. So I have listed 2 of the project that you can do, 2 of the data analyst projects that is related to SQL, that is related to Python, of data analysis, how to do a EDA, exploratory data analysis. Those all things are there listed here. So start with that. Other than that, there are also, I have listed my experience playlist, basically how I searched, I got about more than 200% of hike after my first switch. So definitely you can also get it. I have shared my experiences in these videos. These are the playlists that also, after doing everything, now you have those skills. Now job search process is the major thing, because if you have those skills, you need to get those skills, use those skills and get a proper job, get a good skill, good paying job. So that also you can do from these two playlists. That will help you. Definitely there are many tested skills that you can do, tested tricks are there that you can try it out. Definitely it will help you. Next thing, if you want to connect to me personally, definitely you can do that. You can if you want to get into my boot camps, you can definitely go to my boot camps. You can definitely like what we say, enroll to my boot camps. I have already given the links. Thank you so much for connecting with me. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. I hope this video might be helpful for you. If you have any doubts, please comment down. I'll be happy to help, and please like and subscribe to our channel, because I have been posting many videos and more videos will be coming as per my experience grows. I'll be sharing many videos, and whatever doubts you have, you can just ask it out. I'll be ready to help. On data domain, I'll be sharing many videos. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.